In this video, I'll show you how to update your Bimmertech MMI Prime. Let's go. What's up everyone, I'm Steve and you're watching F33. Now if you like this video, give a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss when a new video drops. Now in a previous video, I installed the Bimmertech MMI Prime, which enables wireless Android Auto and Apple Carplay. Now you notice that it had the ability to be updated via USB, so naturally, I went to Bimmertech's website to take a look for updates. Now on the MMI Prime, towards the bottom of the page, you'll see the most current MMI Prime software. You can use this to compare with what your MMI device says and then update accordingly. If you find that there is a newer version available, shoot an email over to customer service and they'll send you a link to where you can download the correct files for your VIN. Now I got the updated files copied over to this USB stick, so why don't we head over to the car and get the MMI Prime update installed.
All right, so the first thing that you're going to do the system update is to just put your car in accessory mode and let Android Auto boot up. I love how fast this comes up. All right, so we're going to want to exit out and go all the way over to settings. And then the first thing that I'm going to have you do is check the system version, the software version. So right now, my system version is version 3.1.1.4T. And my MCU version is 10.10.20.18. And then I have a hardware version of CPAA_2021.0705. Now on Bimmertech's website, if you go to the MMI Prime page and you scroll down a bit, you'll see what the current version is for the MMI Prime that you have. So in this case, there is a newer version, and I think it's, if I remember right, it's version 3.1.1.6. And so what you need to do is contact Bimmertech support. They'll send you a link to a Google Drive where you can download the software for the Android Auto. They say that they don't put it on their website just in case somebody downloads the incorrect version, so in order to not brick your unit. So just contact support, they'll send you the Google Drive. It's super quick, just tell them that your system version and MCU version, and they will get you the right update. All right, so once they send you the update, you're gonna wanna stick it on a thumb drive. And then you're going to want to plug that thumb drive into the USB port that's connected to the MMI Prime. So if you remember when we did the install, I ran mine into the glove box. So I'm just going to hook mine up here. All right, so I plugged the USB drive in. We're going to go down to software update. And this is a two-stage update. So you always want to update the system first. So we're going to go in there. We're going to click on system update. We're going to confirm and click yes. It's going to kick us out of Android Auto, but it will bring us back in. You can see it's loading in version 3.1.1.6S. All right, so it just finished doing the update and it is rebooting the MMI Prime. All right, so now we're gonna go over to settings again. We're gonna go to system, software update, and this time we're going to do the MCU update and confirm. This is gonna go quicker. And once you get back to iDrive, once this comes back up, you're going to press and hold the back button. This is going to reboot the MMI Prime. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go and reset up the connection to the phone. I've had to do this with various updates like like the forward sync system and things like that. So usually after there's an OS update, I usually just go in and redo my connections to the phone. I mean, it takes all of a couple minutes. All right, so to repair, we're just gonna go over to settings, connections. We're gonna do reset all connections. This is gonna reboot the MMI Prime. And then I've also deleted the connections off of my phone as well. So go over to settings again, connections, pair new device, start search, and there's my phone. Hands-free profile, and I'm clicking pair on my phone. And there we go. All done. So overall, the software update, really, really easy. This is supposed to help with, I guess, some of the connections like the Bluetooth connection and stuff like that, just to stay, connected. I haven't had any issues with that. The system like almost instantly turns on when I turn on my car. It's been really, really responsive. I've been super happy with it. All right, so just to check the version after the update, looks like we're at system version 3.1.1.6S, and the MCU version is 20.10.20.18. And obviously the hardware version didn't change.
Now, as you saw, updating the MMI Prime is really easy and only takes a few minutes to complete. Now, as always, I have put links in the description below to all the products and tools needed for this install. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, smash it if that's what you're into, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you on the next one. God bless.